welcome to my presentation. We go along together to see in joining health and longevity with nutritional immunology. So do you know how long we can live? According to scientists, our lifespan should be at least 120 years. But we are seeing many people die prematurely. For example, Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, he died at 56 years old of pancreatic cancer. So the cancer is the leading cause of the death for children under 14 years old, according to statistics. Not to mention how many heartbroken families were left behind. So, how about the life for those who live with chronic diseases? Look at these pictures. What kind of life do you prefer? According to a study by Harvard University, more than 90% of diseases are related to malfunctioning of immune system. So a malfunctioning immune system is either a weakened immune system or overactive immune system. For cancer, cardiovascular diseases and infections, they are results of weakened immune system. And autoimmune diseases such as diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and allergies, they are the results of an overactive immune system. So according to statistics, cancer contribution to the order of all death, cardiovascular diseases contribute to nearly half of all death. So every year, cold and flu cause many people to lose their lives due to unexpected complications. Coronavirus in recent years have claimed more than 1 million lives. Therefore, we see to maintain a functioning immune system is the key for us to stay healthy and enjoy longevity. Let's go to know about the immune system. Okay, so everybody was born with this amazing immune system. So in the complex network of organs, tissues, and red blood cells, which are also called immune cells. So we are still in the process of getting to know more of it. So these are the red cells. And in this presentation, we'll give a quick overview of some of the immune system organs and cells. So for the bone marrow creates different types of immune cells, such as T cells, B cells, NK cells, and macrophages. T cells are sent to the thymus for training, and the lymphatic system sends them to various parts of the body. So the tonsil protects the respiratory tract from infection, and the spleen is the blood reservoir for the filter blood to remove dead blood cells and engulf virus or bacteria. The spleen also signals B cells to produce large quantity of antibodies. So lymph nodes are in many parts of the body, including neck, armpit, chest, abdomen, and groin. They contain immune cells that can help fight infection by attacking and destroying viruses and bacteria that are carried in by the lymph fluid. The lymph nodes also act as a drainage system. They filter the lymph fluid and remove foreign material such as bacteria and the cancer cells. The body contains more lymph fluid than blood. And the appendix assists with the B cell maturation and the antibody production. It protects us from intestinal infection and allergies. Scientists have found that people who have their appendix removed are 3 times more likely to develop Parkinson's disease than those who have not. The subsequent proliferative forcing disease (SPF) is a newly discovered immune organ associated with our lymph nodes. It guards the body against reinfection from viruses and bacteria. So, all immune system organ, tissues, and cells work together to keep our body healthy in 4 major ways. We can call them 4 major functions: defense, monitoring, cleanse, and repair. So let's take a quick look of each of them. So this is the defense. So defense function of our immune system is to defend our body from intruders such as virus and bacteria. This slide shows how B cells secrete antibodies to fight against virus and bacteria. Our human body can secrete a billion diverse kinds of antibodies in our lifetime. Okay, so scientists have developed antibiotics to help us fight against bacteria. However, antibiotics can only kill limited types of bacteria, and they cannot kill any virus at all. They are detrimental to our kidneys and livers, and our body can become drug resistant. On the other hand, antibodies are powerful. They can kill all kinds of bacteria and all kinds of viruses, and there are no side effects to our body as well. So, we conclude that a functioning immune system is the key to prevent and treat infection. So here comes the monitoring function. The monitoring function of the immune system detects and destroys the enemies within our body. For example, a cancer cell is the enemy generated in our body. When a cell mutates, it becomes a cancer cell. The monitoring function of the immune system detects a cancer cell and sends NK cells to destroy it. This slide illustrates how NK cell latch onto a cancer cell and destroy it in the end. Okay, so let's look at some more information about cancer. So firstly, cancer does not happen overnight. We cannot feel or see anything when a cancer cell generates in our body. The monitoring function of a functioning immune system can detect and destroy it. But when the monitoring function becomes malfunction, cancer cells will grow and multiply beyond control and eventually form a tumor. So today, the most cutting-edge and sophisticated medical instruments can only detect a tumor of 1 mm and above. There are at least 1 million cancer cells in a 1 mm tumor, equivalent to the size of a period. When the tumor grows to 1 cm, about the size of an eraser on the top of the pencil, there are at least 1 billion cancer cells. About 2/3 of the time, cancer stays hidden and its progress is stealthy. For example, breast cancer. Breast cancer takes 6 to 8 years to form one cancer cell, replicates to 1 billion cells, which is 1 cm, as what we mentioned just now. And the colorectal cancer, it takes 10 to 20 years. Every day, there are thousands of cancer cells generated in our body. To stay away from cancer, the key is to maintain a functional immune system, for its monitoring function will destroy the cancer cells before they have a chance to form a cancer. Secondly, cancer is the leading cause for death worldwide. In 2020 show there is nearly 10 million deaths because of the cancer. And thirdly, why do cancer patients hardly survive? So for the traditional treatment cannot kill all cancer cells. Surgery also cannot remove all cancer cells. Chemo or radiotherapy attacks both cancer cells and NK cells at the same time. So the key to win the battle is to increase the number and energy of neutral killer cells. Okay, so let's talk about the cleansing function. So the cleanse function is immune system cleanse metabolic waste such as dead blood cells and body cells. It also cleans viruses, bacteria, and other foreign substances from within our body. There are millions and millions of immune cells to keep our body clean, such as macrophages. This picture on the slide illustrates how they work. So macrophages engulf E. coli in the intestine to maintain healthy intestines. And macrophages also engulf a fiber in the lungs to keep it healthy. Macrophages also engulf a dead blood cell. It will keep the blood clean and prevent cardiovascular diseases, and also engulf a dead body cell. So there are no medication or drugs can do this cleanse as our immune system. So this is the coronary artery diseases. So another example of how cleanse function of our immune system works, the reversal of coronary artery diseases. So this slide shows 3 conditions of the artery. The plaque deposit are irreversible. The bottom one, this one, shows a near complete blockage of the artery. Blood flow is greatly restricted. this middle one shows that less plaque deposit. The top one shows a healthy artery without plaque deposit. When the artery is blocked by the plaque, when the artery is blocked by the plaque deposit, blood flow is restricted. Meanwhile, the heart works harder to push the blood through to our other parts of the body. At the early stage, people will usually experience high blood pressure. Medications that lower blood pressures can only ease the blood flow by thinning the blood and enlarge this artery, but they do not remove any plaque deposit in the artery. So the side effect of the medication are thinner blood will not carry enough nutrients and oxygen to other parts of the body, and expanding an artery cause it to lose its elasticity, causing an increased susceptibility to tear. When arteries tear, people suffer heart attack or stroke. Medications are detrimental to kidney and livers, etc. So remember, only a functioning immune system can remove the plaque deposit and help us to regain healthy arteries. So this slide shows another amazing function of the immune system, which is repairing. Many of us must have a cut of some sort of our skin. We may use a bandage to protect from getting hurt again, but it's the repair function of the immune system that helps the wound to heal. We know cancer or diabetes patients have a weakened immune system. When they get cut, it's usually much more difficult for them to heal. So the repair function of functioning immune system is the key to the recovery and healing. So this is another example of repairing function in the immune system. It's the repair of a damaged joint by rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a disease caused by an overactive immune system. So the overactive immune system attacks normal tissue as a foreign substance, resulting in a damaged joint. People with damaged joints suffer a lot of pain. Medications can only suppress the pain. They are not able to fix the underlying malfunctioning immune system, which is the root cause of the problem. So when the immune system resumes normal function, it will stop the attack and begin to repair the joint. The pain will eventually stop. So now, we can conclude that the immune system is the best doctor in our body. It constantly defends our body from foreign substances such as viruses and bacteria. It constantly monitors our body to detect and destroy cancer cells and prevent cancer formation. It constantly clears all kinds of garbage from